everybody. Today we will be looking at Nick Giovanni Knife Drop, creative recipes anyone can cook. Forward by Gordon Ramsay. And I got this from Target because, No, this book has a lot of photography by Max Miller. My name's Max, but not Miller. This book has a lot of recipes like these. Oh, and let me show you something funny. Let me find it. As you can see, there's a lot of recipes here. But something I found funny was the soups. While it has a time and a place, soup lacks texture and excitement. And when you flip the next page, there's nothing here. And all it shows is a soup. Anyways, let's continue. The dino chicken nuggies. There's also the seafood section, which has these. Oh, and this. I think I want to make this.